How to restore Snapchat streak. So once we go to our profile icon at the top left, you're gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go to my settings right here, and I'm gonna scroll down for a little bit, and you're gonna see an option that says I need help, right? So once we click I need help, we're gonna go to support. We're gonna click the search bar right here, and we're gonna click Snap Streaks. Next, we're gonna just choose the first article, which is how do snap streaks work and when do they expire. So we're gonna click, and as you can see right here, you're gonna read the article and all of that. And if this wasn't like helpful for you, you're gonna just go to the related articles right here. I lost my snap streak, how do I restore it? All right, so as you can see right here in the article, I lost my snap streak, how do I restore it? It says right here, if you recently lost the snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore in the app, or with an in-app purchase on the chat feed. Our support system, our support team will not be able to restore your snap streak for you. And it says right here, if your snap streak more than 1 day, that means you won't be able to restore your snap streak once again. So as you can see right here in the example, you're gonna go to the chat feed, and you're gonna see like a restore button, and you're gonna just pay for restore your 125 days, or how long you've been like outside the Snapchat. So in the past, you could have just restored the snap streak, but now with the new update, if the snap streak had more than 1 day, you won't be able to restore your snap streak for you. Even a support team of Snapchat will not restore or able to restore your snap streak, and you have to redo it again with your friends. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.